Hey guys, well, the next piece of software that I'm going to show you is a program called Maltego, and it is a phenomenal information gathering tool. So you can find it in the applications menu under information gathering, and you'll go to Maltego CE, which is the community edition, built right into Kali. You don't have to go to the website, you don't have to download it. Bam, it's right there. So you're going to choose the machine that you're going to be running from the list below. You can actually just push cancel on this for now. And to set this up, we are going to click on this little folder with, or little file with the plus sign on it. Bam. So this gives us a new graph. And then we're going to go up to manage transforms. And I know you don't know what these quite are yet, but these are different tools that the community servers will allow you to run. And what you have to do first is you right click, or you actually click on it here and go to view disclaimer. And it actually makes you view and understand that these processes that they're using to gather information are running on a different server, a community server that Paterva hosts, the company that develops the software. So you have to go to every single one of these and accept the disclaimer that basically says you're not going to cause any damage and it's your own risk. So don't do anything stupid. Remember the disclaimer at the beginning of this course? You're going to have to be kind of held accountable for this kind of stuff. So okay, now we can do quite a bit of stuff. If you right click on the new graph area, you can do, let's say, company Stalker. This machine will try to get all email addresses at a domain, then see which resolves on social networks. That's kind of cool. Or this one will perform a level 1 basic footprint of a domain. This one is level 2. This one is level 3. Person email address. So let's see about this one. Will works on a Twitter alias and analyzes their tweets. That's kind of cool. URL to network and domain information. Why don't we go to footprint of a domain, and let's do KrebsOnSecurity.com, and we love this guy. Brian Krebs is a security researcher. He recently had the distinct honor of getting the largest distributed denial of service in the history of the world, all because he's a journalist and he wrote about bad guys, and the bad guys didn't like him for writing about them. It's kind of like mobsters making threats back in the early 1900s. So, KrebsOnSecurity is at Cloud D1 Google Domains. Okay, so he moved his hosting. He's got mail, mobile, SMTP, and he's being hosted by Google. Fantastique. What about company Stalker? Let's see, DonaldJTrump.com. Ah. It looks like we've got some email addresses. There's all sorts of nonsense going on here. Not unlike his campaign, actually. Interesting. Lots of little stuff you can kind of figure out here. Who writes what articles are pointing to and from the website. Oh my goodness, there's so many things. You can focus on geographic locations. You can focus on alias for people. This is one of the most comprehensive and quickest ways of getting research done from a private detective standpoint, from a pen testing standpoint for a social media pen test, or like just a public facing pen test. This is an unbelievable piece of software. Remember, this isn't for stalking your girlfriend or doing something for personal gain. This is not a you should be above that at this point. The reason you're getting into ethical hacking is because you want to live by a code of rules and play by the same rules a lot of other people have already agreed to play by and actually follow. So if you're going to use this course to be a dick, I can give you a whole bunch of other places to start learning how to do that. And the first place would probably be DonaldJTrump.com. And you can go watch him. But I don't want you learning this crap from me. Ah. Well, there you go. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this, Hillary Clinton's email was run on a private domain, this one, and I guess these are some of the email addresses made available. Wow, publicly. Wow, that's a really dumb idea. The guy who set that up, he should get fired and then hired again and then fired again every single day for the rest of his life. Idiot. So, Maltego, wonderful piece of software, unbelievable functionality. You could spend hours in here getting lost, and that's just one of the many software tools that we have to go over. So, let's, I'm going to get to something else. I'll let you play with this, and I'll see you at the next lecture.